everybody, this is Saul Castañeda from MCSC here at Greenwheels in Chicago. Just want to give you guys a little update for a couple of things that we picked up from the powder coating company. So we have here the rear end 8-inch 373 gear for our 1993 notch Ford Mustang build that we call KSD from our good friend Ken Sean. As you see here, we didn't get a lot of video of it going in, but you saw the video of us tearing it down. It was ugly and rusty and just nasty looking. Basically what we did, we sent this thing out to powder coating. Hey man, I'm telling you, Ken's got to change the name up to that car. It's going to have to be like Black Death, because this thing is going to be ridiculous. I got to clean it out still. Still got a little bit of sand in there, but look at this. So, should we? You got the Nissan? No. To think a couple months ago he was saying he wasn't going to do this, that this would be too much. When he was here and we were doing the 5-lug conversion, now look at it. A couple months into it and here's that rear end, getting powder coated and getting shined up and spiffied up just to match the rest of the car. Alright, we're going to set it on those towels right there. Yep. Like this, exactly like that, pointing down. Alright. Because I want to drain out whatever comes out of this. Make sure we get it right here. You good? Perfect. Perfect. So we're just gonna. We got a lot of sand in here. We gotta knock off before we install all the gears and stuff, the pinion and stuff. Put in a race. And yeah, we're just gonna clean it out. A little bit of water won't hurt it. We're gonna shoot it from in here. And the other tube, make sure it shoots out at the bottom. Make sure we get all these little are you okay? Granules of sand. Gotta get them out. See, like the little black stuff coming out the bottom, and those particles. Let's make a can of the sand out. You see all that crap coming out there. As much of this crap out of there. I'm thinking. I still gotta clean out this other side real quick. I just want to get as much as I can out of this. What's up? A little too much sand here. There it is.
No, she's a good. She just did my daughter's hair. Her braids and shit. She does braids. Yeah, she just had my daughter had it. She wanted extensions to do her hair to make it longer and shit. And yeah, they went to the face hair to do her hair. So, I mean, she was on. Let me know.
We're gonna have to. We just cleaned out, as you can tell. Look, we still have a little bit of sand in here, but the best part about that is that I got it off from, you know, there's no more graininess. You got a little bit right here. You can get some more out of there. And this way, when I install the pinion and ring gear out of here, I'm not gonna get any of this debris in here. So that's the purpose of cleaning this out. So once we do this, once I finish this up completely, dry it all out, get all the water that I got in here to knock out the initial big stuff out of here. Once I'm gonna dry that out, we'll go ahead and start to reinstall all the pinion and ring gear. Yeah, I gotta take those apart too. Alright.
Hello, friend.
You always got to make sure you clean these things out. I know people will probably say, oh, it's ridiculous. You put water. Look, man, a little bit of water ain't hurt it. Sand will.
Mate.
All the dried up. I gotta get that sand out of here. See? Right there. There's sand. Gotta get that way. No. Perfect. Gotta get under deep. Alright. There we go. The Italian soup.
He's like, that's fucked up. You got a BMW. And she tries it too.
Oh no, it's because I had a kid at the time too. And he didn't like laying on them.
Seatbelts, man. They're there for a reason. You said it yourself.
Yeah, for the front. It's the size here, but it still has a little bit of rust. So I'm just gonna knock it out as best I can. Very nice. Put this stuff up right here for them. That's part of the primer. I'm just removing anything around at this side, wherever the gasket's gonna go. tub right here. Perfect. Now we could alright. Nothing, I got it. Here, see? So, we have a little bit of seepage in here with some residue paint. We're gonna have to scrape off in order for the seal to fit in there correctly. Powder coating adds a very thin layer, so you have to always kind of scrape off the access of wherever it may get into. Works out for me. I know John couldn't get in here with the powder coating machine because I know the plug goes in here. They slam that plug in here so to keep all that sand out of there. Don't want to stain Mr. Goggins' transporting blanket there. He doesn't know what he's got either, so. Perfect. Some of these fingerprints off. All right. what we did, we sent this thing out to powder coating. We had it sandblasted, and then it gets treated with an acid just to get off all the other chemicals that may be on it, so it doesn't reject the powdering once it gets put on there. And we picked that up today, and as you can see, we ended up putting back together everything for the inside. We did the 8-inch with the 373 gear back and pinion. We put it back in here. We dropped in his axles, back with the brakes. We had the brake bracket, our brake dust cover here, all powder coated, all along with our differential here to give it the look that we have right now. As you can tell, we're just gonna give it a nice little wipe down. And Kenneth, man, we're ready. Want to thank everybody on Facebook, on our Instagram, our Pinterest, and especially on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like everything we're putting out there. Keep in touch with the Midwest Foxbody show that we're putting on here, and the Illinois car culture. Stay in touch, guys. Don't forget, subscribe. Mcscgreenwheels here in Chicago. Thanks a lot.